Hi, I'm Lanir Shacham. I'm the CTO of Correlsense. And I'm going to explain to you why SharePath is different than any other product you've seen so far in our market. In Correlsense, we've solved the big problem, which is tracing every single transaction from the user's desktop all the way through the different tiers within the data center down to the last call to the mainframe, the database, or any other external app. For our accounts to use our technology, it has to be production grade, meaning actually no overhead, so it can actually be used in a production environment. Fast implementation. No one wants a costly project. The current toolsets require you to have days, weeks, and months of long implementation and still don't have the entire coverage that you need for an end-to-end solution. Auto detection. No one wants a product that has to be constantly maintained and configured to achieve its goals. And coverage. End-to-end is all about coverage. If you cannot cover every single point in your data center, if you have blind spots, then it's not an end-to-end solution. So SharePath has the lowest overhead in our industry. And this is a known fact by our accounts, by analysts, and by anyone who tries SharePath for the first time. SharePath is very easy to install. Deploying a SharePath collector takes a few seconds. We have sysadmins doing that on their own constantly. Don't need a Java developer to deploy a SharePath collector. SharePath auto-detects your topology, your transaction paths, your transaction names, everything that you need. Every single transaction, when it hits the data center, SharePath will follow it through all the different tiers throughout your application components. No configuration required, no maintenance required. Even if your environment is dynamic and a transaction passed yesterday is not the same as it is today, SharePath will still be able to trace that. And last but not least, coverage, coverage, and yet again, coverage. End-to-end is all about coverage. If you have blind spots in your transaction path, it's useless. You got to be able to trace across C code, proprietary code, different third-party vendors, app servers, not just Java and .NET. Not the entire world is based from Java and .NET. Coverage is the key for a true end-to-end transaction solution, and in that SharePath is different than any other product that you've seen so far.